In this video, I'll show you how to play multiplayer mode in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. All you have to do is launch the game and access the homepage, and then from here select Call of Duty Black Ops 7, and then scroll down and select multiplayer. Now from here, simply select the find a match option at the bottom left corner, select that. And if it's your first time, you have to agree to this code of conduct. So simply agree to all of them and then select acknowledge. Now there are a couple of modes you can choose from. So you can choose to select quick play if you want, or you can choose to select team deathmatch, co-mosh pit, skirmish 20 versus 20, and all the other options. Additionally, you can simply select training course to learn how to play multiplayer if you are new to the game. And once you select the mode that you would like, so let's say for instance team deathmatch, you can select that, and then now it will start scanning for players who you can play with for that particular game mode. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.